Hello, my name is Olga Sarokina, and today we'll find the point of measurement for 1-point perspective. I'll share with you one of my favorite methods of defining the depth of the space of the room in 1-point perspective. So yes, meet Her Majesty, 1-point perspective, the queen of interior sketching, the mother of all other types of perspective. We will dive deeper on this topic. Very often I got asked a question on how to define the depth of the room in perspective, and I'll share with you today X+1 method for 1-point perspective, which takes root back in the Renaissance times. So let's all together thank the old masters like Alberti, Botticelli, Raphael for this knowledge they've developed during the Renaissance times. Please grab your pen and paper and draw with me now. We have back wall, or sometimes it's referred as frontal wall, which is 4 meters wide, and the height of the ceiling is 3 meters. So we will be working to scale. Today, scale 1 to 50, where 1 meter in reality equals 2 centimeters on paper. Next, the horizon line runs at the level of 1.5 meters, 3 centimeters to scale here. After that, we place the vanishing point right in the middle. Next step is drawing the converging lines starting from this vanishing point through all 4 corners of the rectangular of the back wall. Remember, the method is X+1, where X is the depth of the room. In our case, let's say it will be 3 meters. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We take those 4 segments, and one segment is, remember, it's 2 centimeters on paper, and place them to the left, starting from this vertical line of the back wall. And this gives us the point of measurement, MP, measurement point. I mark the bottom left corner of the back wall. I need all your attention now. And we draw a nice long line until it hits the line of convergence. After that, we want to divide the width of the back wall into 3 equal parts. Remember, because the depth of the room is 3 meters, and then we simply draw lines up to the vanishing point, and this gives us these 2 extra points, through which we simply draw horizontal lines which are parallel to each other, parallel to the horizon line, and voila, we have the depth of the room, which is 3 meters deep. Closing this tutorial, I want to say that perspective is one big illusion, though mathematically beautiful illusion. This is how we perceive our space. And at the end, I want to welcome you to check out my free perspective drawing challenge, where you will learn the basics of 1 and 2-point perspective. And you know where to find the link. See you on the inside.